Hi, welcome back to Burton's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. In this session, I will show you one of the many ways to unreconcile a transaction. So starting on the dashboard screen, I can go into business bank account and I can go onto account transactions and I can either search for the transactions I'm looking for, or in this instance, they're all already showing. And I know that I have 5 central city parking costs, and therefore I should have £60 in my motor vehicle expenses account. But I know from previously looking that I do not have that in the motor vehicle expense account. So first of all, we'll show you how to check that they're all coded to the right location. So what we can do is we could manually go through every single one. So we could click onto the description of every single one and find where they're keyed in. Because there's only 5, that is an option. However, I'm going to pretend that we have a lot more transactions that we're looking at, and we're going to do it a quicker way. So what we'll do is we'll go to accounting and account transactions. And then on the accounts, what I will do is I will look at the account that I think these should have been coded to and see how many I have in that area. So this one is motor vehicle expenses. So just click the box and then click update. You want to make sure that the date range is also correct. Otherwise, you won't have some of the transactions for that reason. All of mine relate to January, so I know that this is okay. So I can see that I have £48 for the central city parking, but I know that I have one more transaction. So again, a really quick way of doing this, I could then go through all of the dates in here and see which one is missing, go back to my bank account and find out which one is then different and not in this list. And that's the one that I need to update. Or I might think, okay, well, what other bank accounts, what other accounts have I got that might be similar to motor vehicles, and maybe I've put them there instead. So we've also got this motor vehicles line. So we're going to just have a quick look if they're in there. So yeah, there it is. We have the central city parking item here, and it's been coded to motor vehicles. So what I can do is I can click onto this central city parking description, and then that will bring up the transaction. So here we have the options to click on the option button and then edit transaction. And what that means is I can now change this account code from motor vehicles to motor vehicle expenses. And what you want to check is that the tax rate is also updated, because one of the accounts might have a different tax rating. And then what we want to do is we click the update button. And that's now been updated. So what I can now do is go back to accounting, count transactions, and just double check that they're all in the same location. And there you go, we've got £60 in motor vehicle expenses. So that's all worked. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you at the next one.